You don't need expensive pots or a big budget to grow food. Today I'm showing you how to cut costs at every step. Plants that multiply themselves, free containers, and how to fix tired soil without spending a thing. Because the cost of gardening shouldn't be what keeps you from starting. First tip, grow perennials like rosemary, thyme or sage. You buy them once and they are there for years. No replanting every season and no seed packets to reorder. On a balcony where space and budget are both tight, this gives you the best return on your investment. And if you want one plant that turns into many, plant strawberries. Each plant sends out runners, those long stems that trail out looking for somewhere to root. All you do is pin one down next to the mother plant. Keep it watered, wait a couple of weeks, then cut it loose. You've got a brand new independent plant. I started with just a few and now I've got 10. It compounds every single year. And the same logic applies to mint, rosemary or basil. Snip a stem, stick it in water or moist soil and it will root within a week or two. Free plants from plants you already have. And it's not just plants that you can regrow for free. Don't throw away the base of your green onions. That white bit with the roots still attached. Drop it in a glass of water. Leave it on the windowsill and it will regrow within a few days. It's not going to replace a full bunch, but for a quick handful to throw into a dish, it works perfectly well. And it costs you absolutely nothing. And you can also plant that white part directly in a pot. The stem will actually grow even longer that way. Same idea with seeds. If you bought a tomato, a pepper or a butternut squash that you actually liked, don't toss the seeds. Rinse them off, lay them out on a coffee filter for a few days until they are fully dry, then store them in a paper envelope somewhere cool. That's it. Next season you've got a free plant from something you are going to bin anyway. I've got a video with tips to get free seeds if you want to go further. Containers are usually the most expensive part, but you don't need to buy every pot. This fish crate I picked up for free at the market. It's deep enough for starting seedlings or growing small vegetables like radishes. Cardboard boxes work too for a quick crop like lettuce. They will hold up for a season and they break down straight into your compost. Old buckets, wine cranes, I even use a dustbin for my first potato harvest. Whatever you've got, just punch a few holes in the bottom for drainage and you are done. By the way, potatoes are probably your best bet. Just wait for them to sprout. Drop them in soil or in a container and watch the green stems appear over the next few weeks. Once the foliage starts yellowing, it's harvest time. Simple as that. Now let's talk soil, because this is where a lot of people waste money. First thing, you can reuse soil from one year to the next. You don't need to buy fresh bags every season. Just refresh it a bit and it's good to go. You can also fill the bottom of deep planters with branches, cardboard or old dead leaves before adding soil on top. It takes up space, breaks down slowly and means you need way less potting mix. And if you live in a city like me, look into local composting programs. Some places let you drop off food scraps and pick up finished compost in return, completely free. You can also make your own liquid fertilizer from kitchen scraps. I'm just starting mine now and all you need is 2 buckets and some food scraps. And the last tip, one of you shared this advice in the comments of my last video, so thank you for that. I'm trying it now with my baby spinach. For shallow-rooted plants like strawberries or spinach, just fold the back down. Don't fill the whole thing if the plant only needs the top 10 centimeters. Your potting mix goes way further and you are not spending money on soil the roots will never reach. And that's everything. I hope this gives you a few ideas. You really don't need much to get started. Drop your own money saving tips in the comments. I would love to see what you do. And if you want to keep saving money, I have 2 videos you can watch next. One where I show you how to bring old soil back to life from 1 year to the next. And one where I show you how to fill a planter on a budget. See you in the next one.